to our YouTube channel, The Pro Readers. Magnet. Hello friends, I am Anna, and today we shall discuss about the magnet. What is a magnet? A magnet can pull objects which are made of iron and steel towards it. A magnet has a north pole and a south pole. Opposite poles attract and same poles repel each other. Functions of magnet. They can push or pull magnetic objects like steel, nickel, and iron. Shapes of magnet. Magnets come in many shapes, sizes, and strengths, like U-shaped magnet, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet. How to make a magnet? Point 1. Magnets are made when metal like iron or nickel are exposed to strong magnetic fields. Point 2. Metals can be made into temporary magnets by rubbing them across magnets. Point 3. Or by passing on electric current through them. Earth. An earth is a huge magnet. Its magnetic field is like a bar magnet at its center. Magnetic field. An iron, nickel, or steel object is pulled towards a magnet when these are closed. De-magnetized. Magnets can become de-magnetized if they are heated, dropped, hammered, or not stored correctly.
For more videos, keep watching our YouTube channel. For accounting and regulations articles, visit our website theproreaders.com.